Hey, it's Ben. I've got this elevated pet feeding dish. The company sent this to me in exchange for this video. So let's take a close look, see how it works. Okay, so assembly for this is really pretty simple. It only comes with these three pieces, the dish, and let's just take a close look at the dish. The idea is the food gets down in these deeper parts and it makes it a little bit more difficult for the animal to get them quickly, so it just slows down their eating. And then here are the bamboo supports. And these simply just fit together with the slots, and then the bowl sits on top. So I do want to point out as well, this does have no slip pads on the bottom. So this is just a little rubber sticker here that will help this stay in its spot and not slide away as your animal is trying to eat. And here's how it looks. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.